Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and stylish finds. Today, we're diving into the best Thanksgiving kitchen towels Dishcloths Festive Autumn designs. And we're talking about none other than the ARKENY Fall Kitchen Towels set of 2. These towels are not just kitchen essentials, they're a cozy celebration of the fall season. If you're decorating for Thanksgiving or simply love autumn aesthetics, this set instantly elevates your space. The design is a lovely blend of orange pumpkins paired with a gray buffalo check pattern, creating that perfect balance between farmhouse charm and seasonal warmth. Each towel measures 18 by 26 inches, an ideal size for everything from drying dishes to laying out under warm baked pies straight from the oven. They're made from high-quality microfiber, and what that means for you is a towel that's both super absorbent and quick drying. Whether you're wiping down counters, drying hands, or tackling post-dinner cleanup, these dish towels are built for the job. One thing that really stands out is the durability. ARKENY didn't just go for looks, they reinforced the edges with double stitching, so these towels can handle repeat washes and daily use without fraying or losing shape. And yes, they're completely machine washable. Just toss them in with your regular load, and they come out fresh and ready for the next round. But let's talk design again, because that's where these towels truly shine. The rich orange tones give your kitchen that warm, inviting fall vibe, and the subtle gray buffalo check adds a modern farmhouse twist. Whether you hang them on your oven handle or display them on a tiered tray setup, they act as both function and festive decor. Now imagine this. Guests are over, you're prepping the Thanksgiving meal, and these towels are adding to the cozy ambiance of your kitchen. They're practical, they're festive, and they make an impression. They also make fantastic hostess or housewarming gifts, thoughtful, seasonal, and useful. If you're someone who likes to rotate seasonal decor or enjoys sprucing up your space for the holidays, this ARKENY towel set is a simple, affordable way to bring autumn into your home without going overboard. You can even pair it with other fall decor from the ARKENY collection. Just check out the brand link on Amazon to explore more coordinating pieces. So if you're gearing up for fall gatherings or simply love a pumpkin-spiced kitchen, this is a must-have accessory. The ARKENY Fall Kitchen Towels don't just dry dishes, they dress your kitchen in the spirit of Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you'd like us to review more seasonal home finds. Until next time, stay cozy and creative.